Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Today I'm going to be sharing how to make this super fun, super easy gift card holders. Again, they make it in no time. You've got little pockets inside, and I have used some of my Christmas papers to decorate them. Very simple to make. Keep watching the tutorial, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so let me show you. This tutorial is very simple. So this is my template, the original one, put it that way. I have used my Poinsettia Galore kit, which is basically, got it here. I haven't got all the pages because I have used most of it. So it's the kit on the website that is called Poinsettia Galore. Guess why? Because it's full of poinsettia. And I have used one of the background as a scrap. I just got this left. Beautiful kit full of poinsettia. Very Christmassy. And then you got some fussy cat poinsettia as well. A couple of backgrounds. Shows you that. And I have used, to create this little panel here, I have used my Christmas bubble, so which is this set here. Now of course I have cut that one there, so you got one page with all different bubbles. So you got one with the different images, some plain tartan ones. Of course, if you make advent calendars, I gave you the one with the numbers. So 1 to 8, 9 to 16, 17 to 24. And then because we like to make things big, I got the 25, which is the same size as the rest of them. And then I gave you 2 different sizes if you want to create something bigger for Christmas Day. And then again, another play one, just for you guys to layer it with everything that you want. This is probably, yes, after the Victorian kit, which is the one I'm using today, this is probably my second favorite Christmas kit because I just love these bubbles. I think just it turned out happy. I'm happy with what it comes out. So it's basically a gift card holder. It opens like that, and then you just put your gift card here. Okay, talking about gift card, the main reason why I wanted to show you this, well, because I need to make one for Jamie. Jamie loves Starbucks, so at Christmas I buy him a gift card so he can get some coffee for like January and February, because it's the month when you want to start having a proper coffees, and then he can pay for himself from March onwards. So I always give him like Starbucks coffee gift card, so I'm going to put that in there. And also on my website there are some gift cards as well, so if you want to gift, if you say don't know what to buy, my BFF, which is a crafty artist as well as myself, so I thought you guys can use the gift cards on my website. You can choose any amount between £5 and £100 and gift your crafty friends with my kits. But if you don't know their choices, you just give them a gift card and they can play their own kit. I'll show you on the website what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is my homepage, www.antoniomakes.com. So of course this is the homepage where you can see all my kits, and then you just put it in the basket. On here we got a gift card, so if you click on it, this page will appear. So it's a little image to say, of course, you can't go wrong with a gift card. Choose an amount and write a personalized message to make this gift your own. So on here, you can pick any amount or you can make your own amount. So for example, let's select £5, one. For someone else, you put the person that is receiving the gift card. So for example, Mary mary@mary.com. recipient name is Mary. The delivery date, so I don't know, you want it to be delivered, I don't know, Christmas Eve. Message, hey Mary, wish you all a fabulous, crafty Christmas. Lots of love, Antonia. And then you press buy now. I mean, it says an invalid, but you get the gist. So you will then put this in your basket and finalize the purchase. Okay. So back on the desk. So this is the template that I have made. Let me show you how to make it because it's very, very, very simple. So what you need, you just need to follow me because it's super dead simple, but there is a lot of layers. There is a lot of mats that we're going to play with. So your starting point, your main rectangle, is a rectangle that measure 4.5 by 11. Okay, and you score it at 2.5 and 5.5. Simple as. And then you banish the fold and you get something that looks like this. Okay, then to decorate it, you need 2 panels that measure 4 by 2 3/4, and you need 2 of those. And you need, in fact, as you can see, no, that's part for that. And you need 1 panel that measure 4 by 2 1/4. I repeat, 2 that 4 by 2 3/4, and 1 that is 4 by 2 1/4. And this kit is my newest Victorian. It's called a Magical Victorian kit. So I have used one of the page with the 4 cards, if you're familiar with the kit. So there is a page when you got 4 cards. I have used those because if you look at it, they look like cards. So that's the page. I love this kit. It's probably my favorite. And second is the bubbles. Right, and then so that's the panels. Then, in fact, let's do with steps. So what we're going to do, we start with the small one, which is the 4 by 2 1/4. And I knew this will happen. So when I film, there is a curse. I call it the filming curse. So when I play off camera, everything goes smoothly. So nothing happens. Tickety-boo. I get some glue every now and again, but nothing major happen. As soon as I start press play on the recording, things happen, like the glue now is not cooperating, and I don't really want to post the video. So we put the small rectangle, the small panel, into the first section, which is the one that we score at 2.5. And then we get another one. The one, yeah, you see, it's not working. It's so frustrating. This is why I hate glue bottles, and I prefer my brush. I always use the brush when I work with glue. But then I have 2 of these bottles, and I thought, you know what, let's give this a go. Yeah, waste of time. Oh no, it's coming. And there is a bit of rust because I lost the pins. Right, I've got confession. I lost the pin, and I'm using an ordinary pin. But what Antonio didn't consider it, that it's basically made a rust. But you can't see it because it's glued down. Probably once that bottle is finished, I will go back to my beloved brush. If you're familiar with my channel, I know you saw me several times apply glue with brushes because it's quicker and it's better. Okay, so we put the small panel and 1 of the 2 that we cut the same size, and then the other one, which is the same size, is going to go inside in there. So I'm just going to put some more glue. And I don't understand it why it gets, because there's nothing in there. Look, so if I put the pin in it, it's going through, so it's not stuck. Oh, look at the rust. So that's that. No, I mean, you can use double side tape, but I'm using the glue because the glue gives you some extra time to maneuver it around. Okay, so now on this side I created a little knock there. So what I did, I've got my, where is it there, it's 1 inch punch, and then you just punch it in there. I always go more than a half, about 3/4. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put some glue on these 2 sand panels there, and just 2 sides there. And then we just, oh, now it's working, I hope. And then we're just going to glue it down like that. Now this is totally optional because you're not really going to see it. Okay, so let me just press it down. Okay, so once we've done that, why is it not touching? Let's go again with some glue. Okay, I'm just gonna press with my other hand. Then what we need, guys, we need 2 more pieces. I have used green because there is a lot of green on this kit, because this cardstock I'm using is colored on one side and white on the other side. If you're using a cardstock that is printed, well, it's colored on both sides, you don't really have to skip this step. You don't have to follow this because you will have a colored background. But because I have a white, I'm going to do an extra layer, which I'm going to put some glue into there. I think I'm going to have a melt down, so I'm going to skip that, and I'm going to put my glue with my brush. So boycott the glue bottle. Sorry, blue bottle, you're gonna go. I'm gonna rescue the glue, and then she's gonna go in the bin. Goodbye, nice to meet you. Well, it's all live, so it's part of the game. And I always use like super cheap brushes. You don't mind if you lose the hair because you're not gonna see it. They're so quick brushes. So yeah, so this rectangular measure 4 by 5 1/4. Again, if you have a colored background on your cardstock, skip this step. And then last, oh, and then there's one from the front, and I think I put one on the back just to give an extra layer. I've got a surprise for you guys. In December, we're gonna have a vlogmas, so I'm gonna do 1 video every day in December, but it's not gonna be a project. It's gonna be 24 days of freebies, so you will get a freebie every single day for 24 days. It's just a little gift from me to every single one of you for December. It's my Christmas present to all of you. So don't forget to check out, come back to the channel, 1st of December, for 24 days. You're gonna have a freebie every single day. It's my way to say thank you to you guys. And then last, need 2 panels that measure 3 3/4 by 5. Okay, and then we're just gonna put one on the front and one on the back. And the idea behind it, I thought I want to do an advent calendar for you guys with freebies. So every day you're gonna open YouTube. Of course, I'm not expecting you to watch every single video, but when you have time, you will open YouTube and you'll find a video from me with a freebie, and the freebie will be able to be downloaded on the website. Because originally I thought, oh, I'm gonna send a 24 email with every, like 24 newsletter, and every newsletter will have a freebie. But then I thought, oh my god, the last thing you want to see is open your email every single day in December and see me. So I thought, no, I'm gonna put it on a website so you guys can download it. I will put it daily and you can download it anytime because it will be there but I will explain everything near the time. So that's that, and then the back, we're just going to put the other panel. Again, you don't have to put the green panel if you don't want to, but I thought it just make it a bit more nicer, adding that extra layer or detail. Let me just check on this one the other way around. Okay, so that is the back, really nice. That is the front. Okay, and now you can put your gift card in there. Okay, so last thing we're going to do, we're going to use one of my bubbles. So on here, I have used the one with the poinsettia because it was a poinsettia there, so I think it blends quite nice together. Now on here, what can we use? There is a Victorian little girl there, or there is a Victorian style lamppost. I think I'm gonna go with the Victorian lamppost because there is a bit of green which matches the green on the back. So I'm just gonna fussy cut this quickly with you guys, and we're gonna get some of this pink cardstock. So what I did, I simply fussy cut it. They're very, very easy. And they're not small, so you don't have to fiddle to fussy cut them. They're just the perfect size, I think. I'm not gonna bother to fussy cut the loop of the bubble. Oops. I'm not an expert of fussy cutting. And you know, I'd never ever, I'm a rebel. I don't follow rules. So I just do what I want, really. They're gonna put sun glue in there. Yeah, goodbye glue bottle. She's gonna say goodbye to all of you at the end of the video. Goodbye, people. I'm gonna go in the bin. So yes, I'm just gonna put in there. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fussy cut it and then put it in there. And there we are. These are our gift card holders. Oh, there's a bit of glue in there. Oh yeah, it's coming from here. So this is the one we made today together. And that's the back. And that's what I originally made, my template. And that's the back. As you can see, the back, I didn't put the layer. That's why I didn't like it. Because you can see, I don't like that frame, that border is a bit too big for me, hence why I opted for the 2 layers. I think it looks better, it looks neater. You don't have to put gift card. You can either put a gift card and maybe put a white cardstock here with a little message, or you can just use that as a Christmas card and then maybe glue this down, and that's your Christmas card if you like something a bit fancy folding. Right guys, that's it for today. Every kit, everything I have used will be linked down below, as well as my gift card. I've put everything together on the description box. Don't forget guys to come back on the 1st of December. We're gonna have 24 days of freebies. Okay, very, very excited for that. It's almost everything recorded, almost everything planned for you guys, so you're gonna have lots of fun together. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel doing well and the video doing well too. Guys, until Wednesday, stay safe and well.